Hey guys, this is Cherry Malaya and this is Spill the Tea. Today in this episode, we're going to be talking about dating. And this is exciting stuff because we have Rico Robles from Monster Radio.
Hello.
joining us. Yay!
I was just walking by and they called me to join them.
Yes.
So wala mong ginagawa.
That is
Let's
a
go.
really good friend of
Ambush.
ours.
Yeah.
And we have Micah Velarde also
guys.
Hi, Micah.
joining us again.
She looks so comfortable. Look at
Diba?
that.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, she's chilling.
Why?
Later yan, pag tinanong na natin yung questions, awa ko lang kung magiging comfortable. But let's start already. So I have like a few questions here, and then just answer it naturally, like how you
Okay.
feel, okay? So my first question, Rico.
Parang phone-in partner eh, no?
Parang
May
ganon.
katanungan. Okay, what you got?
Sige. So what are your top 3 red flags?
What, on dating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basta may,
Oo.
basta may bisyo.
Bisyo? Anong bisyo?
Basta may
Like,
bisyo.
Vices, meaning...
When you get into, if it's dating, not relationship, kung relationship na, basta may bisyo, remove.
Yes,
Because you're not there to
okay.
try to rehab and change a person.
that's true.
You know, you're gonna run out of
Or,
time,
why
money,
fix,
time,
diba?
money. Yeah, you don't need that.
Oh, that's
That's
one.
good.
One. 2, they have to stand on their own. Independence, you know.
Okay, you
Yeah.
like an independent woman, like someone who has their
babe.
own money.
Hindi mo na kailangan, you know, daddy
Alagaan.
issues pa yan eh.
Okay.
The third one is they have to be family-oriented.
Okay, that's
Kasi yeah, because so you get to meet people.
but that's green flag. So yun red flag.
red flag.
Red flag
Pala.
na
May
eh.
bisyo.
So, hindi
So
family.
dapat, oo, dapat
Hindi family-oriented. Tapos lahat na lang ng tao in town dinate. Iba na usapan yun.
okay.
Oh, like yung
For the streets.
parang
Yeah.
Yes.
For the barangay. yeah. For the
for
barangay.
the barangay. So like sa isang buong barkada, parang nakailan siya doon.
Yeah.
Ikaw,
Reasonable.
Yeah.
sige, so Micah.
My red flags is like not an animal lover because I really love animals. They need to be like, you know, gentle and safe.
What type of animals?
Dogs or
Okay.
more.
Si Balot?
Animal. Grabe.
Yeah. Okay.
But like, yeah, general pets,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know, it needs to be like a safe guy for me. And pangalawa, siguro yung hindi marunong mag-respect ng other cultures or like,
Oh, yeah.
because I'm very open-minded, like, and I've traveled a lot, so I want someone that you can talk to anyone or like can just be open to learning different traditions or values, like my nationality, diba? Kasi usually I date foreigners.
Siyempre! Si Dora Explorer.
Important sa akin yun. Kasi medyo Western mindset na ako. So,
Is it
parang-
because you live in Siargao? That's
hindi.
why?
Before
No?
kasi nag-Australia ako, 3
Yeah.
years. Tsaka,
Alam ko si
Mga
Dora
20.
siya. eh.
grabe na. Mga
Grabe
20 countries na napuntahan mo, parang na-realize ko, important talaga siya.
Inahabol ka siguro sa mga...
Wow!
Di mga tipo, I thought you were the one for me. Diba?
Pati third, ano ba? Siyempre, player. Yung kasi dating, you have to be intentional. I don't wanna waste my time.
No, like when it comes to dating, right? Pag ganun, kung a person's dating you, they can't date anybody else.
Ay, hindi. Okay lang.
Or kunyari, you
I'm
guys are
open.
dating, and then you see the person on a dating app by accident. Would that
Ay,
change?
red flag yun.
I don't care. Dating kasi is not exclusive yet, ha? For me, yun yung definition ko. Pero pag sinabi niya na exclusive, yun na, meron ng banda.
Talaga.
we
Kasi
exclusive.
for me, on dating, it could go both ways. Like, you could be dating just one person, and then you could also be dating around. You know, if
Dating
you're a
around.
single woman, going on dates is different from dating. Kasi sa akin, ang dating naman, like when you go, you're dating someone, it means that you're
Exclusive
actually,
na.
yeah, no, you're intimate, you're physical with someone, and then you're going out with someone. Just one
Okay.
person.
I learned a thing here. So if you're dating, that means you're doing it. Her dating, we're doing it.
No, kasi
You know?
meron yan you're seeing, di ba?
Ano yung seeing sa
You're
dating?
seeing someone.
Hello, ganun
You're
lang.
just, yung parang, you're seeing someone parang, you're just meeting up. Ganyan. You're hanging
you
up.
hook up, pero hindi siya
Hanging
nakikitulog.
up, ganyan.
Hindi siya nakikitulog.
To be honest, it's good to define
Yeah, it's true.
what's the dating for the guy, for the girl.
Teka lang, uy, marami
Kasi-
tayong questions.
Yeah, kasi pag different nationalities, iba rin yung ano.
Iba rin yung ano.
Oo,
Yeah.
sige, mamaya natin
Yeah.
pag-usapan yan. Kasi
Sama
marami
sa-
tayong questions. First question pa lang yan.
Oh.
ha?
So, ano sa'yo?
So, okay, we have, ako pala.
Oo, ano red flag?
Sa akin, na red flag sa akin, number one, yung insecure na guy. And I cannot be with an insecure guy.
You're only
Kasi,
dating. How can you tell if the person's insecure?
kasi hindi, like, if I'll know
totoo
it. I'll
yan.
have a feel of
Totoo
it eh. Like, whenever I'm
Example
around
of
a
an
guy.
insecure guy. How does it go?
Jealous ka agad.
Oo, yung parang feeling niya, ano niya, ako pag-aari.
Don't you get turned on by that?
No!
Like, wait, I just met you. But
No,
you know.
no. Not when
Okay.
it's not defined.
No.
I don't like an aggressive guy. So, second, sa akin, yung ano, syempre, if he's not God-fearing, I need a God-fearing man. Like, he has to have really good values and yung family-oriented. Pangalaw,
Nagsalang ka ng rosaryo.
hindi naman, guys. Novena kayo
No,
everyday. Hindi
no.
naman. But takot sa Diyos. Alam mo yan, yung
No.
takot hindi papatay ng tao. Mga ganon.
Bago kayo mag-deal.
Syempre kasi if you're God-fearing,
Sure.
yung values mo,
Intact.
very rooted
Yeah,
na
that's
dun
true.
sa ano. And then, three ko, siguro, syempre pag broke.
Gotta have money, right?
Reasonable.
Boy, I'm just realistic, ha? I'm an
Reasonable.
independent woman, but
He's still trying to make ends meet.
but I still want to be spoiled. I want, I want my guy to be taking care of me. You know, I don't want that
He
50-50
pays for
shit.
parking naman daw.
Yung parking. I can pay
Siya
for
nasa sa grab
parking.
mo eh.
I don't grab. Diyan lang lang. Joke lang. Baka ma-cancel tayo.
Diba? Yun.
Actually, if you wanna date, kailangan mo talaga may budget ka na.
Sige. Ito
Yeah.
ito naman, just define. Either it's bare minimum or king treatment. Yan lang. So, just let me know kung bare minimum or king treatment for you.
Okay.
Or queen treatment.
Okay.
For
Okay, so,
her,
oo.
for him.
For you, kung queen treatment siya. Ganun.
Okay.
Sige. So, flowers for no reason.
That's good.
Bare
Bare
minimum.
minimum.
Bare minimum.
Yeah, monthsary. You gotta have that.
For no reason,
No reason
nga.
na.
Ah, wala reason. Nakapulot ka ng bulaklak. Wag na.
Bakit di pinulot lang?
Kahit ano.
Yung so saan ka mo order? Ganun.
Hindi, napadaan ako sa ano eh.
Sa
St.
ano?
Peter's. May
Sa
naahalak.
Bangko siya bumibili.
Right? It could be. No, pero no, I think that has to be saved for an important occasion. So you have something to look forward to. You know? Kasi kung bigay ka lang ng bigay na wala lang.
Alam mo yun,
Sige,
for
gusto
me,
namin
na-appreciate ko yung flowers any time of the day.
Okay.
Kahit anong flower, wag lang yung pinitas mo sa ano, like yung
May
tipong
santan
kinuha
ka.
mo sa table, yung inuwi mo from kasal, mo gaganon,
yeah.
or something, or event,
Right.
bibigay mo sa girlfriend mo. Parang, here are flowers, and medyo, no thank
Kasi
you.
kung binigyan mo flowers, girls would be like, ano kasalanan mo?
Ay, hindi
Ganun.
totoo.
Bagay.
Diba?
Nangyari yun sa
Okay.
akin.
Ano atraso mo?
Next natin, pag she offers to drive for you when you're tired.
Yeah, like,
Wow.
that's bare ano, what's that? King treatment.
King treatment.
Yeah.
Bare minimum sa akin yun.
You don't drive?
Kasi kung nag-start ka na mag-relationship, you need to, be ready
Kahit
for
tired.
that. Hindi naman yun kailangan.
So,
pa-spoil.
mapagbigay si
Yeah.
Sa akin, if I would do that, that's definitely bare minimum. If I do that for a guy. Okay.
Mga donya
Takes
pala
care
to
of you when
kasama.
you're sick.
Yeah, that's bare minimum.
Yeah, bare minimum.
Bare
kasi,
Alam nga naman iba pa mag-alaga sa'yo.
Tama.
parang
Diba?
you feel alone in the
Oo.
relationship.
Opening doors.
Nurse ako, sponge bath pa yun. Di ba?
Wala, nurse ka.
Ayan, oo. Bigas at oil ba dyan? Okay.
May kasama massage.
Walang happy ending. May sakit eh.
Ay, hala.
Yeah.
So, opening doors.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bare minimum.
Alright, bare minimum.
Unless you're the mall guard,
hinahatid
then-
sundo mo.
Yes, bare minimum.
Bare minimum. Lahat yata to sinulat dito, bare minimum. Cooking for you.
Ooh, that is a good question. Because if the person that you're dating doesn't know how to cook, then
Then mas
Yeah.
mataas
Para
yun.
sa'yo,
Pero do
okay
you
lang.
tell the person, if they don't know how to cook or the cooking is good for them, but for you it's not, do you have the right to react.
Yeah.
Ako,
Parang pwede mag-improve, diba?
yun nga, pero ano yun? Parang
Basta
yung rate ko sa'yo, you're at 3.5,
sabi
di
mo na
ba?
medyo, honey, so sorry, pero medyo maalat. Ganon. Or could you make
Honey, tayo
little
na
bit less
alat.
salt?
Di ba? Ano ba to? So,
Hindi na
Or what
magluluto.
if you can cook, tapos siya maglinis na lang ng dishes? Diba? Like, ano?
Ginawa mo.
Mag-asawa na yun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Date pa lang. Hugasan mo yung plato. May sunod.
For me,
Kusay
cooking.
ka naman eh. Yeah.
Some people kasi cooking is their love language. Like,
Yeah,
ako, mahilig ako magluto. So, you know, when I
Mahilig ba ang magluto sa'yo?
hindi nga eh.
yeah.
Ako yung palagi nagluluto. So, parang, yeah, kahit manghugas nga ng pinggan, hindi rin. Ako na rin lahat. So, parang ako yung, ako,
And her name is Cherry Malaya. Malaya ka ba talaga? Yeah.
oo nga eh, prisoner.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So, okay, listening to you when you rant.
I rarely rant eh. So,
Talaga?
Nice.
Very positive ka na. Pwede ba yun?
alam mo yung you reach that age in your life na kebs ka na lang sa lahat. Eh, trip niya yun eh. Yun ang trip niya. Okay, gano'n na lang. O, meme mo na lang.
Sabagay.
Eh.
How old are you now?
I'm 44. 45. 45.
Hey, I'm a
yeah.
year older. Actually.
Yeah. Yung, kung trip niya yung respetuhan na lang ng trip. Walang
Okay.
basagan ng trip.
Tama yun. Tama.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Don't try to change.
Giving massages.
Well, it's part of the job, you know, so...
Sa akin kasi queen treatment yun.
Yun, really?
Yeah.
Ako
Like
kasi
someone-
minsan, like, at you reach an age na masakit na nga yung katawan mo, 45.
Iba na usapan naman na to.
Ay, may lamig dito. Babe, ano lang dito? Punta ka sa bahay,
Alam,
bakit?
medyo masakit. Medyo
Ginawa-
stiff yung neck ko, ganon.
Ginawang manghihilot.
Dishwasher, manghihila.
Oh.
Sige, when she washes your car.
No, I have a big truck. I can't. That's me. Kawawa
No, what
naman.
has she done? Like, kapag uwi mo, kailangan linis ng kotse mo, di ba?
You missed the spot. You know?
Or she brings it to the car shop, the car wash.
I don't think
Yeah.
even if she has her duster wet, she won't be able to clean it. It's a truck. So
Pa yun.
So,
Yeah.
cancel out yan for Rico.
yeah.
Sa'yo.
Ay,
Would you
yung
do that
guy,
for someone?
no.
Kahit sa other countries.
Sige, pwedeng I can be with him habang naka-car wash yung, naka-car wash. Like, I will wait with him. Pwede.
Okay. Ito
Ano
yung
lang
mga
kayo, nag-drive-through.
Yeah, open
What you wanna
up.
do, baby? Let's go do it. No! It's all for me.
Sira.
Yeah. This is my type of date. Right? Yeah.
Meron pa ba gano'n?
Oo, sa Pilipinas, wala.
Wala, no?
Uy, si ma'am, na ganun niya.
Actually, meron
Si
yata
ma'am.
sa Subic.
Umahalog sila, si ma'am.
Bakit
si
pa
ma'am.
ko
Oh
umahit
my
sa Subic? Ito, when she brings you your favorite food.
I
Kunyari,
like that. That's,
You like
Bare
that?
minimum
that's bare
or-
minimum. You gotta set the standards high. You know, the thing there is with the world, people forget
kailangan
standards.
ito si standards.
You gotta have standards. People forget that. You know, and sometimes the person that you're dating, that you're with, ends up becoming your wife or husband. Diba? Things, you know, when things are unplanned, you know, something might sprout there. You never know.
Okay.
You'll be married.
Okay.
Standards
Need to
ka dapat.
marry.
Ibang set of questions naman tayo.
Okay.
Ito, are you a cuddler? And if you are you the big spoon or the small spoon?
What is the big spoon?
Big spoon, ikaw yung nag-hug.
spoon,
Sandok
small
o
spoon.
kutsarita.
Oo, ikaw yung nagpapahug. Pag
Yeah,
ikaw
I
yung
guess I hug the
small
person.
spoon.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung hugger.
Yeah. Sometimes ako yung hinahag, pero sometimes. Sorry, kasi when I sleep next to a person, I'm like passed out, like
Like
Ka,
Donzo.
like fucked up, dude.
Oo.
Nakayakap
Wala
siya.
na.
No, pero yeah, I hug the person.
Ako, parang sa akin ako yung big spoon.
Yeah. Kaya,
Like, for the pants.
tapos dito ako sa hita, no?
Ako yung parang, hi baby.
Napagpag
Hi
eh.
baby. Ano, kumain ka na ba?
Yung fetus. Oo.
Ang kulit. So, okay, next natin. Oh, sige, ito. What was the most romantic thing you've done for someone? Di ba ikakasal ka na?
Hindi pa, nagkaplano pa.
Hindi
I
pa.
proposed to her on my radio show.
Ay, congratulations
Yeah.
pala. Si
Yeah.
Phoebe, right?
Yeah, si Phoebe. So that's, I mean, as like people who work in the radio, we don't do that. Kasi ano yun eh, kung mga sabi nga nila, pag sa radyo, chick boy, di ba? Yun yung hunting ground mo eh.
Ganon.
So when you propose
Wala na,
there,
game over na.
ano na yun?
Ano na yun?
Yeah.
Done.
And then of course, you wanna say, like sabi nga nila, pag mahal mo yung isang tao, You have to ipagsigawan mo sa
Yeah,
buong mundo.
Dapat proud.
It's the
So,
reason
yeah.
of marriage, wedding.
Yes, pero I don't want it that grand. Ano lang, just to make her feel.
So, ano nga?
Yeah.
Sinagot yung tanong.
Ano yung question?
That's the most romantic.
That was the most
Okay,
romantic.
yeah.
Nag-propose
That's
ka.
true.
Eh,
Yes.
syempre yung grand gesture na yun.
Oh.
But like, on a
Before.
regular, before that, what did you do? Like, doesn't have to be, well, doon na lang sa...
Pang-jowa,
That is a great
pang-girl.
question.
Yeah.
Kunyari, ligaw siguro.
Inaakay ko siya pag lasing na siya, inaakay ko sa banyo.
Yung inalaga mo pag lasing.
Oo,
Most
may
romantic.
Yung
buhok.
romantic
Oo,
yun para sa'yo.
Romantic yun.
Actually.
Kung nagsusuka ka, tapos yung nag-date tayo.
Talaga? Kasi
okay,
ako may first date ako, nalagaan ako, malasing ako. So, hindi siya romantic.
Kasi it happens. It happens. So you cannot...
Kasi diba, medyo
Not
kalat ka
everyone
nun
does
eh.
that,
I don't know if that's romantic.
Kasi the first date mo, biglang nagkalat ka. Iba, iniiwalan mo lang eh.
Ibigyan ako ng Jaeger sa sobrang dami, no? Sunod-sunod.
Hindi mo sabi ginamin mo. Binigay lang sa'yo eh. Di ba? Ano?
Alam mo naman ako.
Sa'yo, dapat answer natin mga girls.
Oo,
The
sige,
most
ikaw.
romantic thing
Most
I've
romantic
ever
thing
done to
ever
a-
Or somebody
you've
done to
ever
you.
done. Hindi, ito
That
you've
somebody
ever
has done to
done
you.
na.
Okay, nung yung first ex ko, I gave him an iPod. So, I think that's romantic. Kasi wala pa akong ano yun,
iPod
budget.
or iPad?
High school pa ako.
iPod.
iPod mini. Mahal pa yun before.
Hindi mo na palalunan sa Christmas party yan, ha? Hindi, ha?
Talagang allowance ko.
Grabe.
And that's romantic kasi like, I chose to spend it for him. Yun na.
Paano pala to? Galante, ha?
Dati.
Sa akin, pa iniisip ko, pinaka-romantic ginawa sa akin ng guy. Parang kasi ako yung mas romantic.
Oo, kaya. So, ano yung
But,
ginawa mo?
Ginawa para sa akin ha, yung Valentine's naman siya. Pagpasok ko ng room ko, puno ng candles yung floor and petals yung bed. Tapos, as in, maraming like greeting.
Wow.
Ganon.
Sana all.
Oo.
Sa motel to.
Ay, hindi sa hotel. Nasa bahay ko yan. Talaga. Oo. Ay, nako. Sa bahay
Hindi
ko yan.
nasunog yung bahay mo.
Kinansyaba na yung mga pinsan ko. So, that was sweet. Maraming ginawa naman na sweet
So,
for
nung
me.
ginawa niya yung may candles and everything.
Hindi siya nag-propose.
Nandun din yung mga cousin
Hindi
mo the whole
pala
time.
yan, hindi. Nandun lang siya sa background of the videos.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya proposal actually. It's just something that he wanted me to experience. Also, magaling yung guy, magaling yun eh. So, pumunta rin ako sa isang island sa Boracay. Pagdating ko doon, may surprise na sa akin ng flowers on the bed and like petals and all that. Magaling
Nabentahan mo na
siya.
insurance ka.
Open-minded
Ano kailangan nun? Di ba?
Alam, parang feeling ko, papasikatin ko kasi siya sa PBB. Kaya,
Baka.
Who's that?
joke lang. Blind item yun. So,
Okay.
so bukod doon,
Nag-sorry na nga daw eh.
Grabe.
Text ko, andali. Thanks ko.
so wait. So, kanina yung di ba, yung ginawa mo para sa kanya. And yung ginawa niya para sa'yo
Oh, wow.
na romantic.
Romantic.
Just
Clean the house.
So, parang maid.
Acts of
ganon.
service.
Yeah, acts of service.
Acts of service.
Kasi
I used to do that all the time, every day.
So, hindi na siya romantic.
Well,
Lahat pati nagtatapon ng basura ako din.
I think pag ginawa lang nung person, like,
yeah.
once in a blue moon is romantic.
Well, she's
him.
always organized. So.
Right.
Oh, yo, the most romantic is probably to get my life together.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's
Like
So,
to
fixed you.
to push me to be
That's
better.
deep.
To be
Like, when I
better.
want to put up a business, nanganagin niya, ano yung business plan mo? Nasa na? Andito na tayo. Ano na?
Wow.
So she really cares for the future that you're trying to build. Hindi
Yeah,
yung
to
puro-
build your
Partnership.
character also.
Huh?
Partnership.
Yun,
na siya.
yeah. I think that's a big one.
That's romantic.
That's a nice answer.
That's really
That's
romantic.
romantic.
Because not a lot of people care about what we do.
Oh.
Kaya
Ito
ay
talaga.
kakasal na to eh.
Oh, I put a ring on
Right,
it.
right. That's cute.
Oh, ikaw, anong pinaka-romantic?
Ako?
Yung iPad.
No naman, hindi material. Like, I had family problems that time. College yun. Tapos, yung ex ko dati, like, alam niya I was going through something. But, like, on my birthday, like, we were in a restaurant, kami mga family ko. Tapos parang, I wasn't feeling good. Pero, like, he gave me a speech na super romantic, na parang, he was telling everyone na I'll be in Micah's side, I'll be supporting her with what she's doing. I was like, oh my God.
Kailan
Sobrang
to?
kinikilig ako nun. College pa lang. Like,
College.
sobrang galing niya na he wants, parang, you know, like, it's me against, us against the world. Parang ganon.
So, ano
Words of
pangalan niya?
affirmation.
Ano pangalan niya? Ano yung pangalan first name mo?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Ay, Joseph. Uy, married na siya.
Joseph.
Oh my
Paano
God.
pinakawalan?
Ngayon ang pagsasalita mo. May
Friends
kinakasal sa iba.
Wow.
Joseph.
No, I'm happy for him. It's okay. Like,
Are you
but-
really?
Are you really?
Ay, ganon. Hindi.
Kasi
Okay yun.
still
Parang,
comes.
parang
Spill the
best friend.
tea!
Parang
Just
best
kidding.
friend, di ba, na you support each other, you stand up for each
Eh
other.
kung naging single siya ngayon at tumawag siya.
Ayoko
Divorce.
na.
Nasa
Alam,
Philippines
ano pa
ako.
ako nun.
How are you? Yeah, ganun.
Wow. I'm just
Kasi
happy.
magbe-Burmans. You know, balik
Coffee
Dayans.
season.
Oh my
Balik
God,
din.
ano paalala sa amin
Yung mga
mga single
uuwi.
yung Burmans.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Ganon.
tas kung mag-isa kami, okay?
Yeah.
Ikaw meron kang kayakap,
Eh, meron
ka-father
nang
ka.
uuwi, di ba? Yung ating, uy, long time, catch up naman tayo, I'm in the country.
Naks.
Hirap na message yun.
Parang family. Bakit ganyan
It
ba?
happens because they come home to the Philippines. O, di ba?
Nang-iintriga ka talaga.
Di ba? Sila yung sa show eh, no? Pero,
Single yan!
mga...
Talaga kami. Okay.
Ay, ako turn ko na pala. Nahaliw ako sa kanila. So, ako feeling ko nga ako yung lalaki kasi sa relationship. So, pinaka-romantic na ginawa ko, I would heat up a tub, a bathtub, na lalagyan ko ng petals, salt bath, ganyan, with candles around. Tapos, punta ako sa Santis, gagawa ko charcuterie board, parang ganito. Tapos, isa-serve ko sa kanya para pag uwi niya galing work, nandun lahat ready para, di ba,
Pahainom
relax
siya ng
siya.
grapes na agad.
Oo, pinakain ko talaga siya ng grapes. Totoo yun. Ginawa ko yun. Grabe ako.
You watch so many music videos,
No, I really
man.
didn't. I really didn't.
It's like I'm
And
watching a Tony Braxton music
No,
video.
I seriously did this. I don't know why. Kita ginayong
It's
yata ko.
okay. It's love. See what
Yeah.
love makes you
Yeah.
do.
Does, no?
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
wala.
So,
Also,
Diba?
very painful.
But what's the craziest thing you girls have done for?
Yung parang psychotic
I wanna say,
Crazy, like
sa
psychotic
akin,
or crazy,
ano,
like,
yung ex ko,
tattoo.
tinatu ko.
Yung name niya.
alam mo,
I love the reactions pag kinukwento.
alam mo, sabi na
So, let me
pag
see,
ganyan
cover it
daw,
up.
napatato ka na ibang klaseng sex na yung meron kayo.
Ah, really? It's like
Hindi, ano,
Wow,
at
yeah.
least hindi yung parang kay, sino to, si Nicano, na like buong back niya, Mariah talaga. O, diba? Tapos break na sila. Yung akin naman, initials lang. And we had the same, dito rin siya.
So what's the initials?
Wag na!
Grabe
Hindi,
talaga,
no! Wala na yan. Blind item na yan. Past is past. Past is past,
May
okay?
family na rin yung guy.
Yeah.
Leave that alone. Ah, the same guy. It's the same guy.
No, it's not the same
Ay,
guy.
the same guy.
Iba.
Pero it's funny because like you learn from it na parang I was that stupid but it's cute kasi
We have last two
love it.
questions, guys.
Okay.
Because we're gonna wrap up this soon. So, ano yung pinaka-expensive gift that you have given your
Time.
significant other? But,
Time.
well, pwede ba yun? Counted ba? Sige, but
Time,
no,
of
one, like,
course.
yung, tama yun. But everyone gives time to their significant other. I'm talking about, like,
Expensive.
yeah.
Kasi akong alam dyan eh.
Monetize.
Gano'n ka
I mean, she likes
generous.
perfumes and I don't like it, but I have to give it a you know. Kasi feeling ko, masasayang lang. Ang mahal-mahal ng perfume. Pag in-spray mo, mauubos din. Doesn't make sense.
Ganon.
So, a ring, what else?
The ring. Yun
Hindi naman.
nakamahal.
Kasi that's love, you know. You
Yeah.
can't. Ako kasi time. Kasi time is like, I do so many things. I have so many things to do. But then,
Right.
alam mo yun, taking time to sit down with you, to have you finish a meal, to listen to your story. You know, that's a lot.
Yeah.
You know, and for me, okay yun. Nakikinig
For
ako.
a guy
ganda
ha.
mo rin.
Kasi
yung
syempre,
guys, we don't
they're
listen.
efficient.
We're physical.
Yeah.
You know, we're physical.
I
Then after the
understand.
physical, then we listen.
That's
Pero ngayon,
true.
when you really listen, you sit there and you're like, talaga, ganun ba ginawa ng pusa mo? Yung malalalim ng usapan.
Si Micah. Sagot.
Oh, like ano.
Yung
I'm
iPad.
not gonna do that again. But like, I let,
Sinurge mo yung iPad
no,
niya.
I let my ex stay with me. Parang
To live with
expensive
you.
na rin yun. Kasi,
So parang inampun mo siya, ganun.
yeah, nung time na yun, I was like,
So nag-sugar mommy
naive.
ka niya.
So he used my car, ganyan. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that again. I think that's expensive kasi nabangga niya.
Kasi ko pa rin nagbayad.
Eh, hindi naman. Pero
Aray ko,
syempre,
masakit.
it
Yeah.
was not good
I'm learning a lot
I
from her.
learned from my mistakes, like, isang beses lang, and then I'll never.
So, kamusta ka na ngayon? Naging therapy.
Ikaw pa yung Guess na yung
Ano
host.
siya, I think for me, okay lang yun kesa emotional, like, parang, ano to, emotional damage. Mas maganda na yung, ano lang yan, monetary thing. So,
Love don't cost a thing.
Yeah.
Ika
basta
nga ni
yung,
J-Lo.
for me, sobrang, pag-abuse na, okay lang yung mga gamit, okay na yun.
Pag jombag, that's the term, no? Pag sinasapa ka na, get out of there.
Yeah.
Of course,
What's your
yeah. that's
advice
like,
for
ano.
people who are going through sort of that
Abusive
type
relationships,
of relationship?
get out. The minute that
How does one get out? People
kasi
don't want to stay
mag-start yan
there.
maliliit. Oh my God, seryosong topic to
Ah,
eh.
go.
Pero mag-start yan maliliit na bagay, shouting, throwing
Yes,
things,
number one,
breaking
shouting.
things, and then,
Sa dating pala nakita niya na yung red flag na yan.
Teka lang, hindi pa ako
Okay.
sumasagot.
Oh, go! Cherry freedom.
So ako yata pinakamahal na-express, well, drone.
Anong drone?
DJI.
Binili mo siya ng drone. Tapos nag-drone shots
Pareho
kayo.
sila, pareho.
Pareho sila.
Dalawa.
Wow.
Okay.
She attracts gadget guys, ha?
Hindi, ako yata yung gadget girl.
Sponsor.
Ito po si Cherry Malaya para sa Digital Walker.
Mahilig ako magregalo. So yun, tsaka espresso machine, ganyan. Anyway, after we need to wrap this up.
Tama yung SNR ko siguro.
Hindi
no?
pa yun enough.
Espresso machine.
Well, your
Drone.
answers were so interesting. Thank you so much, Rico. Like,
Napadaan lang eh,
I wish
napadaan.
we had more time to discuss
Eh.
this. Maybe, in the future, if you want to guest again,
Sure.
or
Sure.
vice versa. I'm very
Sure, this
We
is
are-
called
like,
Spill the
let me
Tea.
know. Yes!
But this is Filipino, it's Spill the Tea. Would you add-
Talagang sinali mo yun,
But good luck, ha? Good
But
luck on your
thank
show.
you. Thank you so much for joining us.
It's very
Yes.
empowering. So we hope that this show brings knowledge and
Yes, and
everything to
para alam
everybody
nyo
there.
rin, diba?
Where can they watch this?
Actually, we have YouTube. Well,
Okay.
we're all over social. So
Okay.
YouTube, TikTok, IG, we're gonna have all
So
of that.
wherever you
We're
find
gonna
your
be announcing it.
podcasts.
We're gonna
Okay.
put it all in the description.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Oh, there's a
spill
logo.
the
Look at
tea.
that.